Welcome friends, uh, welcome to our tech management education channel. uh, in last lecture we were discussing about stock market, basics of stock market, what are the stock exchange, why share is being traded, how partnership and public partnership generally companies do raise fund. Then we learned about basics of some option trading and what is candlestick chart and these things. So today we will see how things are being viewed in various websites and this broker website like that. How to see the values and how to see the variation change in the market, what is going on. So now it is 9:33, so already market opened at 9:15. Okay, so you can see this is the ICICIdirect.com, and you can see the Nifty Sensex value. So Nifty is 11,165 now. There is a gain of 32 points. Here you can see there is a gain of 32 points. Sensex is 37930 and gain of 58 points. Okay, there are various aspects you can see here, all these things. And yesterday we have discussed about various sectors of market. Okay, like Sensex 13, Nifty 50. So one sector is auto. So you can see easily what are the auto sector. These are auto sector all companies. Okay, here these are companies listed in Nifty 50. Like these are all big names you can identify easily, and here it's a heat map, so you can easily identify this is the most it is having the maximum gain in auto sector, and this is having the maximum loss in auto sector. So there is a color gradation, you can easily identify gain loss. So this is auto sector companies. Okay, there are car manufacturing, bike manufacturing, then parts manufacturing, commercial vehicle manufacturing like Ashok Leyland. These are called commercial vehicle manufacturing unit. Okay, Maruti is there, and these are big name, Hero Honda, Escort. Okay, entire companies like MRF Tire, okay, C8 Tire, all things are available. Apollo Tire, okay. And there are battery companies also like Amar Raja batteries and other batteries. Okay, in auto companies will have all sort of ancillary companies, manufacturing companies, all these things. Then if you go to cement sector, here also you can see a lot of cement manufacturers, JK Cement, SEC, in India Cement, all these things. So this is the most today's gain is highest, and this is the there is a loss or downfall in the cement. Okay, this is the cement industry chart. Similarly, real estate. These are real estate companies, Oberoi Realty and all these things. Okay, Godrej Properties. Okay, real estate. Retail. In retail there are so many companies. Okay, Relaxo Footwear, then Abilene Supermarket or DMart, TTK Prestige, Page Industries. Okay, so there are various industries. Gain, loss you can see easily. Then banking sector. Banking sector is a major portion of our stock market. Okay, so banking sector, these are all banking or NBFC, non-banking financial corporation. Those are in retail loan or kind of loan business. These are the this is having maximum gain, maximum loss. Okay, so these are banking sector companies. Also insurance sectors like LIC and other companies are also there. Banking sector, insurance sector, finance sector, basically all sectors. FMCG, in FMCG like ITC, then Britannia, like that, Dabur, all names are there. So There is no recommendation from my side. Trading, if you do trading, all this is solely your at your risk and responsibility. Okay, I am not recommending anything in this video, in this lecture, or during my course of education. This is only for education purpose. If I pick some name and all these things. Then there are media companies like Z Media, okay, INX. Then there will be PVR and all these things, okay, PVR Limited. So these are media companies. Then metals. In metals you will find zinc, Hindustan Copper, and then Vedanta Limited, then Hindalco, all sort of companies, SAIL, steel, aluminum, non-ferrous, ferrous, every material you will get it here, all companies. Okay, these are the current price below, and these are change, like this price is 203.5 and today's gain is 3.17%, and here like price is 1830 and there is a loss of 0.13%. so you can easily identify gain, loss. Oil and petro, okay, Bharat Petroleum, Hindustan Petroleum, Indian Oil, all oil companies, GAIL and all these things, you will find it here. Okay. Pharma companies like Pfizer, Glenmark Pharma, and pharma, as well as pathological companies like Davis Lab, and all these companies will be featured here. Okay, pharma companies. Then software companies, okay, software companies will be there, Hexaware, TCS, this Infosys, okay, these are the all software big names which are there in Nifty 50. Okay, then telecom, Idea Cellular and Tata Communication and all these things will be there, MTNL. Okay, Jio comes under Reliance, so it is not separate. So profit and loss and whatever, it is reflected in Reliance balance sheet, Reliance Industries. Not there is no separate Jio company so far. Then capital goods, which are the companies which are the big equipment manufacturing kind of things, like BEML. They make earth moving equipments, trucks and all these things. Some ABB, you know, ABB, Siemens, all big companies, power companies, KEC International, cable manufacturing, and other Thermax. All are these capital goods companies. These are basically in B2B business mainly. Shipping and logistics, like SCI, then Concor. These are all shipping and logistics business. Sugar industries. All these are sugar manufacturing companies. Okay. Then hotel industries, India Hotel and all these things, hotel industries. And power industries. Infrastructure industries. Okay. Power industries, okay. Adani Power, CSC, NTPC, NHPC, Tata Power, all these things are there. And these are all various sectors. You can identify morning or any time which sectors are gaining, which sector is in loss. And if you go and there is another bifurcation of all stocks, like large cap, mid cap, small cap. Small cap are very companies, those where market capitalization is very less. Market capitalization means individual share price as well as this number of shares, if it is less. Okay. Then mid cap, mid-range companies. Then large cap is very large companies where market capitalization is more. And you can see here, you can switch over to others, like these are small cap companies. Okay, these are mid cap companies, these are large cap companies. like Asian Paint, ITC, Sun Pharma, HDFC. Their market capitalization is more. Okay, if you see the list, Asian Paint like that today is now current price is this, gain is this, high, today's high, low, open, previous close, previous day close. Like yesterday, in last lecture I have discussed the candlestick pattern of 4 parameters are there: high, low, and open and close. Okay, so this is open, close will come at the day end, then low, then high achieved today. So based on this figure, candlesticks are made. So it can be time range can be a date or time or 10 minute, 15 minute, 1 hour, anything. ITC, Sun Pharma, these things. So you can go through this all websites. So if you sector-wise, you can see the gainers are consumer durables, metals, oil, petro, pharma. These are all gainers today. And losers are hotel, media, paper, all these things. Okay. So these are basically how to see values and indexes. Okay. This is another website. You might be familiar with NSE India. This is a website of NSE, the stock exchange. Here the value is 11610. There is a percentage gain of 0.26%. Okay. And here also you can see sector-wise report. Nifty banking sector. What are these things? This is the curve. This is the open price, high price, then low. So far what is low, then LTIP current price, then percentage change. Okay, percentage gain or these things change. This is change, this percentage change. Then volume, how much volume of shares being traded. Okay, and turnover, total volume with LTIP means how much amount is being traded so far. Then for this particular stock, what is the 52-week high? So generally in stock market we follow 52-week high low kind of situation. Means before 52-week in the duration of 52 weeks, what is my highest level, what is my lowest level? So you can see that there is a variation of 152 to 650. There is a variation of stock price. Here like 17 to 47. Okay, it went up to 47 rupees and gone below, means around 17 rupees sometimes. So there is a variation of this bank like 235 rupees to 1596. So a lot of variation is there. So anyone should be ready who are doing trading or long time investors. So it is very critical to see what are the maximum, minimum, or high, low figures. What is the variation range? Okay, like some cases variation is more, some cases variation is less. It depends upon the company performance, consistency, profitability, all these things. Market fluctuation. If companies are domestic consumer dependent, then it will behave differently. If it is international consumer dependent, like software and all these things, it will behave differently in a time frame, or depending upon the international political situation or some specific country situation. Like for software, USA, Europe, all these things, economic condition of USA, Europe, these are very critical for software industries. And how is the dollar price as compared to rupees? Okay. So there is a Nifty Bank. Here also you can see different. This is another chart. And in this case where it is stock is traded near 52-week high, it is being reflected as green, dark green. So those are near to that high, then it is reflected as light green, like that. And similar way, those who are near to 52-week low, then it will reflect dark red or light red, like that. So there is you can see like this. And there is also a 30-day change during what is the stock changed in last 30 days. You can percentage of change you can see here. Okay. Then energy sector you can see, financial services, bank. Okay, these are all these things. FMCG product. Okay. ITC, Imami, McDonald, Britannia, UBL, all these things are there. Okay. These are gains, these are losses. This is the last line is the highest loss, and the first line is the maximum gain. Okay. IT sector. Okay, IT sector. Then media. Pharma. Then bank, PSU bank, there is separate category, PSU bank, realty, private bank. So all these things are there. You can go through this and check it out. Okay. These are all Nifty 50 companies. These are 50 companies which are listed in as a Nifty, figured out in Nifty, like Z Media, BPCL, EPCL, Asian Paint, ITC, IOCL, HDFC, Cipla, L&T, Dr. Reddy, Britannia, GAIL, Asian, Adani Post, IndusInd Bank, Sun Pharma, SBI, Vedanta, Kotak Bank, Reliance, and Tata Motor, Asha Motor, Hindalco. These are all, you can see, these are 50 stocks. Okay, so Nifty price will vary based on these 50 stocks. Okay, so these all kinds of sectors are there, companies of all sectors. It's not only bank or only commodity market. These are all sectors covered. So this is a true representation of the market or scenario of the business. Okay, so all sectors are some majority of the sectors are in gain, so market will move up. Major sectors are in loss, so market will go down, like that. So today's scenario, if you see maximum majority of the products are in gain, showing in green, and some are in red. This is the maximum loss company today, and there is the maximum highest company in Nifty 50. Okay, and there are next level of companies like next Nifty. What are the? This is based on market capitalization and other consideration. These are next 50 companies. Then there is a next mid cap. There are different categories you can for easy identification. So like you might have seen in mutual funds, they figure blue chip company, mid cap fund, small cap fund. So you can easily identify what are these companies of small cap 50, small cap 250. Small cap 50 means 50 best companies of best means in terms of market capitalization or other parameters. Then the next 50 mid cap 400. There are various bifurcation of these things. Okay. And this is the list. Many stocks which are listed in BSE or NSE, they are not, all stocks are not being traded in future and option market. Okay, only a few stocks are being traded in future option market. So you can see from here what are the future option tradable stocks. Okay, this is the list of future options. So you cannot do option trading in any kind of stock. So you have to pick a stock from this list. Okay, this is the list. So it includes everything: mid cap, small cap, or a large cap. Everything is included in this list. You can also see what are is the maximum. This stock is near 52 high, 52 low, like that. Okay, this is the FNO stock, future and option market stocks. Okay, this is the how stocks are been seen in various websites. Now, regarding some option, I'll show how we'll study options in details. But let me show some these things. Like in option, for any option. So I am showing in option, like for stocks we can do option trading along with Nifty index. So what exchange they have developed Nifty overall 50 Nifty price, based on the Nifty price, they have created some options. So that also can be traded. So I am showing here the Nifty options. This is the chart. Okay, option trading, a typical option trading chart. You can see there are 4 quadrants. One is shaded, this kind of shade. This is a white background. Okay, this side, right hand side is a put. Okay, and left hand side is a call part. So you can see price is going from low to high. Okay, so if price is going from this to this side, it means price is increasing, means stock index price is increasing, or stock price, if it is a stock price increasing. If it is growing from this direction to upward direction, so index or stock price is decreasing. So this part is put segment, this is call segment, and this is this part is means, say my current price is 11149, means 11150. So it is around this. Okay, current price is this. So this is at the money. This line is at the money, and this shaded portion of put is in the money put. Means in the money put means more than current price. If it is a put section, it is in the money put. Okay, and this is call side. So this above at the money means if price goes up, it will rise. So this part is out of the money, and this is in the money call. Okay, this is in the money call, this is out of the money put. Okay, so here broadly like strike price, what is my that stock price or index, what is current price, this is in some slabs it is being shown here, slab of gap of 50 points. So in stocks you may find gap of 50 points, 10 points, 20 points, depending upon the stock price. Okay, and option we need to trade in lots. Like for Nifty, if you trade in Nifty, it will be a minimum lot of 75 quantity. Okay, you cannot trade in 1 quantity, 2 quantity. So it will be multiplier, is a multiplication of 75 quantity. Like this is a bid quantity, this is a bid price. Ask price, ask quantity means they are willing to buy or sell. This is bid quantity. This is ask price, means how people are asking what money. Bid price, ask price, there is a difference. So asking price is more, bid price is less. So people are asking money more, like that. Okay, there is a 0.05 difference. This is ask quantity. Okay, so these are quantities available for trading. These are the bid quantity, means people are willing to buy at present of this quantity. Net change, what is the net change? Then LTIP, what is my, this is the option price, current option price. Okay, what is my price is going on, and these are volumes of quantity. Okay, change in OI, open interest. We will discuss what is open interest, all these things, open interest and all these things. So you can see for this at the money, for this Nifty strike price, my option price is this. Okay, my put price, this is my put. Okay, and so put price, if you go down, so it is getting reduced. And it's for there is a expiry date. This is weekly tradable options. So today is the expiry, 23rd July. Okay, so after 3:30 in this region, out of the money, all values will be 0. Okay, if you buy now, and if it market remains at this position, then 32 will become 0, 14 will become 0. So you will lose all 32, 14, or if you sell the option, you will gain 32 points full. Okay, we'll discuss sell, buy, everything in details. This is for a brief introduction to what is option, how price is being shown, what are these things. In case of a call, this is for this 11150 strike price. Call price is this. Sorry, call price. This is the call price. Okay, This is the out of the money call price. See, there are some decrease, and after that there is a great reduction, because today is the expiry. So it is likely that price will go of this range. It will not travel fast. But sometimes the market moves very fast due to some news or some variations. So then 3 becomes 100 or something. It may also happen. But generally there is a variation of 0.5%, 1% in the market. So depending upon, people expect, because today is the expiry, so every minute, every hour price will reduce gradually, because at 3:30 will become 0. It will keep on reducing, and near at 3:30 all this out of the money will be 0. This will be 0, and that this in the money option price will be there. Okay, so in the money option price, it has 2 components. We'll discuss in details. One is intrinsic value, one is extrinsic value. Means if it is 29, so if it is 11, so intrinsic value is 29 minus 11. Okay, whatever value next level is in out of the money, this will be deducted from this value. So that value will remain after 3:30. Like after, if market stays at this point, so after 3:30 this will become 0, and this will become 18. So it will be reduced from all these values. Okay, this 11 will be reduced from all these values. So this will be the intrinsic value of that market. So this will be there. But other than this, out of the market, all this will be. So this is the. So how to go check this list? So you see the NSE website link, then live market. There are various aspects, and you go to equity derivative. Okay, like liquid derivative, then you can change the date also. Like if you ask for 30th July expiry, what is the price? Okay, so there is a price difference. So anyone can trade in today's expiry, next month expiry. There are various levels of expiry given, like up to December 23 also. So many expiry is given. So you can trade in weekly, monthly, after 2 years, 1 year, everything based on your judgment. And like for 30th July, for this value, option price is this. Okay, in our today's expiry, option price was around 29. It is 124. Okay, 123 or 124. Okay. So it's because I have a time of around 7 days, so there is a option price is more. So gradually up to 30th July, it will keep on reducing, and at 30th July 3:30, this will become 0 as today's derivative chart, and this will have intrinsic value. Okay, so these are the open interest. Open interest means how many persons are, what is the at present, how many is being traded, volume kind of thing. Okay, so this is for Nifty. There are another index, you can like segment, stock segment, Bank Nifty, Auto, because there are basically 3 tradable indexes are there: Nifty, iNifty, IT, and Bank Nifty. Nifty and Bank Nifty, these are most traded. Bank Nifty, it is having combination of all bank stocks. So this is Bank Nifty price around. So it's not reflected. It's around 2200, 800 something. So this is at the money. What is my call value? Call value is this. Put value is this. Okay. So this is, and here a lot size is. You can see this figure. Whichever is the minimum, this is the lot size around 20. Okay. Here the lot size is 20. In Nifty case, it was a lot size of 75. Basically, their main principle is overall, if we multiply this into this, so overall contract value will be around 5-6 lakhs, 5 lakhs around. So exchange keep on changing sometimes this quantity. From next month, this quantity will become 25. Okay. So exchange, they keep on changing this price and quantity based on the price. If it goes high, then they will reduce from say 20 to 15 like that, to keep the contract value constant. Okay, overall contract value constant. So there are other, the strike price, bid quantity, as I discussed. Then there are other factors like IV and all these things. This will some complex concept we will discuss in upcoming lectures. So keep subscribe my channel so that you can get all videos, all stock market, option trading, managerial. I keep on posting various management topic lectures. Already I posted Six Sigma series and other lectures. So subscribe my channel so that you can get fast notification of my upcoming videos. Okay. So this is in brief about how to check different stock prices, different option prices. So like if I check one stock like TCS. So also stock option has come, like TCS. TCS price, current price is 2178. Okay, so this is the chart for call put chart of TCS. So this is call side, this is put side, this is at the money like 2160 around. Okay, and here for TCS minimum quantity is 300. Okay, tradable quantity is 300. This is the bid price, ask price, then ask quantity, then there is a net change of price. Okay, and all stocks are like Nifty, Bank Nifty, these are index options. They can be traded weekly. There is a weekly, every Thursday there is a weekend for expiry date. For stocks it's monthly expiry. Stocks are not traded weekly. These are monthly expiry, like 30th July, next month 27 July. Whichever is the last Thursday of every month, this will be the expiry day. Okay, so 30th July is the you can see 30th July. 30th July is the last Thursday of this month. If you go next month, Thursday is 27th July. Okay, so this is 27th July, like that. Okay, so if you go for next month expiry, prices will be more. Okay, but volume will be less. People will trade more in this current month. If it is a weekly trading for exchange, volume will be more. Most of the people trade in weekly volume because there is a lot of price variation fluctuations. Because option trading is dependent on price variation fluctuation. If there is no price change, then people will not be interested in option change, because if there is a variation, then only people will be interested in trading and all these things. So in monthly trading, weekly trading has the most volume, then monthly, current month, then upcoming months. Okay, and index has the most volumes, because stocks are being traded, some stocks having maximum volume, but generally people come in indexes. But because any stock can vary anytime because of some news and all these things, this is highly unpredictable kind of things. Not true for all, some stocks. Okay, but index is a combination of 50 stocks and like that, so there is a predictability, or we can develop some strategy to gain or to earn some money. Okay, so most of the people trade in indexes, and in stocks people basically options is being created for hedging kind of purpose for investors. Like people have bought a big amount of stocks, so they will hedge it by selling call put or buying call put. Okay, we'll discuss in details how hedging is being done in options. Okay, this is the stock option pricing. Similar way you can see other pricings. So I request you to go through these all websites and have a idea how price is being changed on all these things. What are the volumes traded in different stocks, indexes? Then you will have a correct idea what is option, what is price being changed. But for price and other things, I'll discuss various aspects are there. Other than timeline, there are different aspects for price variation and all these things. One is dependent on the movement of the stock. Others are like time, volatility. Okay, these things are there. Okay, so this is in brief about various websites you can refer for stock movement, option price movement, different things. So you go through this all segment individual sections, so you'll have a fair idea of market and all these things. So see you in next class, and thank you.